Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get Notion on your MacBook. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser, like Safari or Chrome, and navigate to the official Notion website. Once there, you'll easily spot the prominent Download for Mac button. Clicking this will initiate the download of the Notion application installer directly to your computer. After the download finishes, find the Notion installer file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to open. You'll see the Notion application icon. Simply drag and drop this icon into your Applications folder. This action copies the app to your system. Once the transfer is complete, you can close the installer window and move on to launching Notion. Now that Notion is installed, it's time to launch it. Go to your Applications folder and double-click the Notion icon. The application will open, and you'll be prompted to either log in with an existing Notion account or create a brand new one. This setup process is quick and easy. Once logged in, you're ready to explore Notion's powerful features and begin organizing your projects and notes. To get the most out of Notion, consider a few helpful tips. Learning some keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow. Notion also offers a vast library of templates for everything from personal notes to complex project management, saving you valuable time. Remember, your Notion workspace syncs across all your devices, ensuring your information is always accessible, whether on your MacBook or on the go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.